Hello, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine and having a lots of fun. I also hope that you are studying regularly and taking good care of your health. Children, today we are going to see a very interesting scene that is from class 3rd of mathematics. Let's go. Today is Monday and the mathematics teacher has reached class 3rd. Every student is wishing her a very good morning. Oh, look, Ravi looks very cheerful today. You know why? Guess? This is because he loves mathematics. The teacher has asked everyone to sit down. See, everyone has settled down. Now they all have opened their mathematics books. And when their teacher asked for one book, then the Rahul got up and gave his book to the teacher. Today they are going to talk about the first chapter of the book. Look, their teacher has started the discussion. Teacher: Dear students, today we are going to study where to look from, which is the first chapter of your book. Ravi, can you tell me? How does this table look from your side?
Yes, ma'am. I am able to see the front two legs of this table.
The teacher has asked Ravi to come to the right side. Ravi, how does it look from this side now?
Ma'am, I am able to see these two side legs now.
Ravi, now you come to the front of the table and look at it from above. And now tell me, what do you see?
Ma'am, I am able to see a rectangular figure.
Thanks, Ravi. Now you may go back to your seat and sit down. Ravi went back to his seat and sat down. The teacher said to the class, Dear students, today we are going to draw some pictures of various objects by looking at them from different angles. Just like Ravi saw the table from different sides and found that he could see a different part of table from each side. Now the teacher has asked children to do an activity. Oh wow, she has a toy car. After keeping the car in the middle, the teacher has asked a few children to sit on its left side, a few to sit on its right side, and another few to sit in front of the car. She has also asked some children to look at the car from above. Now she said to the children, Students, draw a picture of only that part of the car that you can see now. All the children have started drawing. As they finished drawings, the teacher asked them to go back to their own seats. All students went back to their seats and sat down. Oh, someone is laughing in the class. It's Dheeraj. He is laughing at Anshul's drawings. Teacher: Dheeraj, why are you laughing? Dheeraj:
Ma'am, Anshul has made it all wrong.
Anshul, come, show me your drawing. Anshul showed his picture. The teacher also saw Dheeraj's drawing. Dheeraj:
Ma'am, Anshul's drawing looks like a small box inside a big box.
After this, the teacher saw the pictures of all the students who were sitting with Anshul. All the pictures looked like rectangles. The teacher told the class, These students have seen the car from above, and so it looked like a small box inside a big box. Now the teacher asked those students to show their drawings who were sitting in front of the car. All the children had made beautiful drawings. So, children, why don't you try to look at the objects around you and make their drawings? You will also notice that by looking at the objects from different sides, you will be able to make different pictures of the same object. If you have a table at your home, then draw its picture. Does a table look like this when we see it from the front side? Now try to draw it by looking at it from above. When we look at a table from above, does it look like a rectangle? Children, look at the other objects around you and try to make their pictures in this way. Now, children, can you tell me, if we look at the class from that back window, what will we see? You will be able to see the rectangular shaped table, and we will see the children's heads. After the school, when Ravi reached home, he noticed that his sister was making beautiful shapes on the floor. Minakshi said to Ravi,
I am making these shapes with the help of these dots.
"Can you also make different shapes with the help of dots?" "Oh wow, you have made beautiful pictures." So this way we can make different pictures with the help of dots. Now some questions. Complete the pictures with the help of given dots. With the help of given dots, draw a kite, a leaf, a flower, a boat, a star, and a spoon. Children, do you know there are some shapes whose one half looks exactly like the other half? Let's see a few such shapes. If we cut the picture number 1, 2, and 3 on dotted line, and if we keep one part over the other, then we will see that both the parts are absolutely equal. Now, answer the following questions. Find out that out of the given pictures, which pictures one half looks exactly like the other half. If we see, then the one half of the first figure looks exactly like the other half. Figure number 2 also has two equal parts, whereas the third figure's one part is not equal to the other part. Let's see now what we have learned in this chapter. In this chapter, we looked at various objects from different sides. We also made beautiful shapes with the help of dots. Come, children, let's look at some questions from this chapter. The first is, what did the teacher teach in the class? The teacher taught about some shapes in the class. How did Ravi like mathematics? Ravi used to love mathematics. When Ravi came close to the table and looked at it from above, then what shape did he see? When Ravi came close to the table and looked at it from above, then he saw the rectangular shape of the table. What did the teacher ask children to draw? The teacher had asked children to draw a picture of car. Why was Dheeraj laughing? Dheeraj was laughing on seeing Anshul's drawing. He felt that Anshul has drawn it in an incorrect and strange manner. Fill in the blanks. You can make beautiful dash with the help of dots. So, you can make beautiful shapes with the help of dots. The teacher had asked children to draw the picture of a dash. The teacher had asked children to draw the picture of a car. All the children had made beautiful dash. All the children had made beautiful pictures. When Dheeraj saw Anshul's drawing, he felt as if a dash is kept inside a big box. When Dheeraj saw Anshul's drawing, he felt as if a small box is kept inside a big box. So come children, now I will tell you a story. Its name is Tit for Tat. Once there was a girl. Her name was Amina. One day she met a painter. Do you know who is a painter? A painter is someone who makes paintings. Amina asked the painter, "Would you please make my painting?" He said, "Yes, why not? I will surely do that. But I will charge rupees 200 for one painting." Amina agreed to it. Then, after some time, the painter showed his painting to Amina. "Oh, what is this?" Amina's painting was incomplete. It was drawn only from the right side. The left portion was left completely blank. Amina felt very bad on seeing this painting. And she asked the painter, "What is this? This poster is incomplete." Do you know what did the painter say on this? He said, "The other part of the picture also looks the same. So you can see it with the help of a mirror." Oh, Amina felt very angry. But she kept her calm. So now the painter said, "Now please give my 200 rupees." Amina was a very intelligent girl. She gave the painter only 100 rupee note. The painter asked, "What about the rest of my money?" So here Amina said, "The other note also looks like this one. So you can see it with the help of a mirror." So children, this was the tit for tat, wasn't it? See children, that painter had made many incomplete pictures before also. Can you complete them? Look here. The first picture is of a butterfly. And the second one? Can you find out? Yes, this one is an earthen lamp. And this third one? It looks like some animal. Maybe a cat? And this one looks like a star. Oh wow, look at this one. This is a fish. So now Try to complete them all. Children, let's ask that painter to draw a few shapes which cannot be divided in two equal parts. Yes, that will be fun. So come, let's look at a few such pictures here. See, this is a caterpillar. And this is a cup. There is a handle on its one side, so it cannot be divided in two equal parts. And here is a flag. It too cannot be divided in two equal parts. So children, can you also make a few such pictures? Look around yourself and find out. See, this is a wall clock. It has some numbers on its one side and some different ones on the other side. So, it cannot be divided in equal parts. Find out some more objects. Like this door, it also has a handle on one side. So, it also cannot be divided in two equal parts. What other pictures can be there? Maybe a book? Okay, children, now look at these pictures and find out if the dotted line has divided them into equal parts. See the first picture. It is of a triangle. And the dotted line that is passing through it has actually cut it into equal parts. Now look at the next picture. It is also a triangle. But it has been cut with a standing line. Its two parts also look the same. If we keep a mirror on this dotted line, we will still see the same picture. Now look at the third picture. It has been cut with a sleeping line. But on keeping a mirror on this line, will we still get the same picture? No, it has not been cut properly. Its two parts are not equal. Next picture is of a rectangle. It has been cut with a slant line. Has it been divided equally? Are the two parts equal? If you keep the mirror on this line, you will not be able to see the same picture. Now see another triangle. It has also been divided equally. Oh, here, this shape looks like a tree. Can you divide it in two equal parts? A standing line might have cut it into two equal parts. But sleeping line has not cut it equally. Let's move ahead. This shape looks like the letter B. There is a sleeping line in its center which has divided it into two equal parts. This shape looks like the letter T. It has also been divided equally. Look here, another picture. It has been cut with a sleeping line, which could not divide it in two equal parts. To divide equally, it should have been cut with a standing line. And this next picture, it has also not been divided equally. Next picture looks like a heart. It has been divided equally. Look here now. This shape looks like the letter M. It has also been divided right from the middle. After this, there is another triangle. It has also been divided equally. Next picture looks like an arrow, which has also been divided equally. Oh, look at this kite. This kite has not been divided into equal parts. The upper part is bigger while the lower part is smaller. A standing line would have divided it equally. Next is a rectangular shape. It also has not been divided equally. A straight line would have done it. A standing line or a sleeping line. Now divide these pictures in two equal parts by yourself. Come children, let's make a cat's mask now. You will enjoy a lot because we will draw only half of it, but we will get a complete mask. Let's see how. First of all, we will take a sheet of paper and we will fold it in middle to get its exact half. Now we will draw the half face of the cat on the folded side. See, like this. Now we will cut both the layers of the sheet together. It has to be cut in the shape of cat's face. See children, now our mask is ready. Now complete the picture on the other side and color it. And then tie a rubber band on both the sides. But yes children, don't forget to cut the circles for eyes. In a similar way, you can make masks of other animals also. So children, did you like it? This was your chapter, Where to Look From. Thank you. Have a nice day.